This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 RML is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, air conditioning, slide-out, microwave, refrigerator, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, TV, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front bath, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25 RML is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes Benz i4 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.